This love is like the ocean that's crashing over me. It's like falling rain on the driest plains as far as eyes can see.
Nagkakilala kami ni Friends at Trinity way back nung college.
Kasi pinakilala siya nung professor namin, si Ma'am Lenny. Tapos tinawag niya, papakilala. Eh, syempre, shy type, introvert. Itago ko sa ilalim ng lamesa. Ayun yung story. Tapos, the rest is history. 2010 up to, 2022 na. Yan.
Nobody loves you like I do. And I never want them to. Nobody loves you like I do. And I can't get enough of you.
Na-recognize ko sa kanya, makulit siya, tapos very lively. Energetic. Mostly ng mga taong sa paligid niya, talagang magaling siya makisama eh. Ako naman, total opposite, tahimik. Kaya nga, hindi ko nga alam kung saan ako kumuha ng lakas na loob doon para ligawan ko siya.
If there's no love in marriage, then it's just getting married. Because it is love that binds it together. It is the love in terms of that mathematical equation, 1 plus 1 equals 1. For this reason, a man shall leave his father and mother and rejoin his wife. And this will become one flesh, not two, but one flesh.
Kasi siya yun, family-oriented sila. Tapos, ano ba yun? Wala ko. Mababait sila lahat, sila magkakapatid.
Dahil sa kanya, nag-build up yung self-confidence ko from being a introvert. Eventually, introvert pa rin naman, but mas natuto na ako makipag-usap sa mga tao.
Lose it all and therefore, and as the sun transforms into the moon, I pray we never lose the fire.
Yung pala yun.
The reason I am able to truly laugh, to be able to fight, although it's not always what people seem to see. You have seen my worst. The thing is, you are still there. You are my everything, babe. Oh.
My love is all for you.
Delayed for almost 2 years, but finally this is it. We still have a long way to go, but I know we can make it. I don't have any much gift to offer, but I know this little gift will touch your heart. As I still with you walking down there, see you at the altar, my love. I love you, my chinito poging bebe.
Hoping you still remember the day we met 11 years ago.
Uy, ano ba?
I love you so much. My Josephine, uy. Josephine.
Tingin. Uy! Bakit ikaw yun?
Thank you.
To my beautiful bride, see you later. Sana you're well prepared and at the same time, relaxed. Enjoy natin yung big day natin today. Excited to see you and kinakabahan at the same time. But more importantly, basta enjoy natin yung araw na to.
I'll never stop chasing your heart. My love is yours to hold. Through every high, every low, our love will only grow. And I'll be here when
faith, marking here present for your lawful husband, according to the requirements of Holy Mother Church?
Yes, I do, Father.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Even as we wait for time to heal the broken parts, our light will find a way where hope is dim and skies are blurry. Take my hand and we will feel the wind upon our shoulders. Together we are stronger. Together we are stronger. No, I'll never stop chasing upon my love is yours to hold. Forever and I'll be here when the sun sets, and I'll be here till I find a grave. My love is all for you. It's all